Hello, hello. Good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. We got an interesting opening today. We have a day. Let me see if I can add. Oh, I will add something here so I can show you something. We have PPI, a good number there. The reaction the market has to that. Also, I have shared a video yesterday. I didn't know it was private. I put it in the Discord, and I was sharing one potential scenario that I have seen happen so many times before, man. Really. And the thing is, let me close. For context, I'm going to close these ones. Right? I'm going to leave this overnight open. Now what we have yesterday, we have value lower, but market getting shorter and shorter. But without being able to have downside extension here. Right? Market open here, then it was every rally was sold. You can see POC here, right? Developing higher, moving higher and higher and higher and higher. And it sets a trap here. You know, we have three. This got to be very careful here. We have a trap being set here, and then all this inventory is now, it was underwater when the market closed, and the market closed with a spike, with a tiny spike, but spike anyways. The market closed up here. The spike is this one. This is no excess. I consider this a spike, and last even is even further. Last price is higher than the regular price, regular hours. Let me hear this guy. Just a moment, please. I'll put a pause here. Oh, it's gone. The thing is, once shorts are trapped here, once shown the inventory is trapped, the potential for the squeeze is there, right? And that happened here. And what I highlighted on that day scenario is having this kind of movements, right? Market coming lower and provides the opportunity, for this short inventory to get out, right? Oh, the market is coming to me. Thanks God, right? Thanks God, I am leaving, right? But it didn't give them. It didn't give them enough chance. The market is still there. It's still there. This inventory can still, but no squeeze has happened. This happened during the overnight here. We had this spike in the overnight. Have this spike here. Lead spike actually. As pretty much the same size as this one up here. Well, a little bit smaller than that actually. But the market opened inside the spike. That's one of the trickiest. That's one of the trickiest openings that we may have. I was paying close attention to this bar here, and the market is actually doing a lot from this high and low, right? And my trades, my yearly trades, were actually based on these ones as well. I was on both sides of the market. Got short here on A when this market couldn't get it upside extension. I believe at the time, some the market could check this POC, which it did, right, with the potential destination being the, actually, this was my potential, my ultimate destination in 93, right? And it extended further, as you can see here. And then I got another long, but my long, this was a good opportunity. This was a really nice area to take something to the upside here. And the stops being this, the spike here. Actually, you can even get the market. I don't like this low actually, but still, the gap has not been closed here. Right? Gap has not been closed. It's market to the upside. The spike remains, and the gap remains as well. It's open. It's just one tick, right? Very mechanical low down here. And you can see here, right? Market gets too short here, then too long, too short, too long. It's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth here, right? And where this selling and buying is coming from, very mechanical places, very mechanical levels here. You got this high here, was bought several times, and something before I continue here, something that I want to tell you was also that kind of like highlighted on the odds, the increasing odds of some, I would say, made downside movement was this shape I have here. Once this spike has, you have accumulation volume at the highs, and it did not have upside extension. Now, all of this very thin, reactive, emotional upside that we have here has been checked now in the regular trading hours. So I would say right now, as we speak, as what time is it? 10:38 a.m. Eastern time in the US. This would be kind of like a market giving us an idea of what we can have. I still consider that this inventory is here, right? If this market has an upside here, there's a potential for something here towards maybe to this area here, very prominent area here. I would call it pivot or something like that, or maybe resistance up here. But we will also, before getting over here, we have the 5900, from which the market has been back and forth. You can trade for this. I trade a couple times from this level as well, and the go no go level in this time frame, go no go level, because there is another one that's I think it's more important than that, is this one here around the 5720, right? 5720. As the day develops here, if this market doesn't have penetration of this range, this short inventory will start getting nervous here, because the market is to the downside, daily, weekly, monthly, all time frames are to the downside, and the expectation is to come back, at least to come back to this area here. Remember yesterday we also had lower value while prices were going higher. Okay, so let's not just follow price. All of this context is to find location actually in trade, because I don't trade daily, I don't trade weekly or monthly. What I do is short terms. My trades don't extend overnight, but I need that context to do before I do anything. Now we have another question on the low here. This market is in balance. We have 3 periods in market with the market in balance, right? The scenario that I was pointing out is, there's something here that this market can come back down here and check. It attempt a couple times now to do that, and provide an exit I'm providing an exit for to this short here, to this short inventory here. If there is any upside here, there could be. I am, kind of not expecting, but I believe some kind of the odds, some having some quick upside movement, squeezing the short inventory from yesterday, are increasing. That's what I am thinking. My view overall of the market overall has not changed, right? But as these views have a place in my brain, in my head, there are also another views for another time frames, right? One of those time frames is my time frame. Very particular, very peculiar, very unique to me, and you must have also, the odds that you or any other trader have the exact same motivations, goals, bank accounts, or whatever are very low. So that's why it's important to have your own opinion, right? We have our own opinion here in this place. That is what I want to say. I don't have nothing else to say here. I'm just going to keep watching and observing here and wait what we have. All the craziness, all the volatility that we have at the opening is whining now, winding in, and it's very rare, right? I would say it's not that the odds are not in our favor if we trade just the opening. Actually, if trading just the opening or when the market opens, it's a very volatile time of the day, and the odds being successful during that time frame are very low, really. Okay. But that's just my opinion. Take whatever I say with a grain of salt. Remember, this is not intent to be a financial advice. You need to do your own research. You need to do your own investigation. I'm just trying to put myself out there so I can check myself later, and I can do the adjustments to whatever I am doing at the moment. Okay. All right, guys. Unless you have any questions, I will be calling it a day, and I wish you a wonderful rest of the day. Stay safe. See you.